Hey, what's going on, YouTube? What's going on, my brothers and sisters, my beautiful souls, all that. Hope y'all taking care of yourself. I just got done hooping, just chilling in some nature. You know the vibes, just vibing out. Hope y'all taking care of yourselves, I don't gotta say nothing too much. Y'all just need to be taking care of yourselves, striving for y'all's dreams, becoming the best person you want to be, becoming that person you want to be in general. But today I got a very special video for y'all. Very important, honestly, life-changing in my opinion. A life-changing video. The 12 laws of the universe. So in this video, I'm gonna just tell you all the laws, give you a little snippet of what each law means, and I'm gonna make in-depth videos on each law. I'm gonna make a video for each law, honestly, and I'm gonna go in-depth with each law, get real deep into it. But this video, I'm gonna just skim over it, give y'all the basics. And if y'all enjoy, leave a like. If you subscribe, all that good stuff. I love y'all. We growing every single day, getting better every single day. And hey, let's get it. So the first law I'm going to talk about is the law of divine oneness. So the law of divine oneness states that everything is connected to each other. We are all connected by one God consciousness. We are all connected by vibrations, and we are all connected by our energy. So pretty simple enough, we're all connected to each other. That's basic. If you've been on your spiritual journey, you know this. We're connected to plants, animals. We're connected to everything. Okay? Number 2, the second law of the universe, the law of vibration. Everything is made up of vibrations. You can raise and lower your vibrations based on the actions you take every single day and the people you hang out with. That's simple enough. And you want to raise your vibrations. You want to raise your vibrations to the highest level that it can be. And that's whenever you will reach enlightenment. All right. And then, so the third law of the universe, the law of correspondence. So for this law, the best saying for it is as above, so below. Or as within, so without. So this basically means that how you vision the world in your mind is how this reality will come into fruition. So basically, if you are at peace with yourself, if you love yourself and are at peace with yourself, everything around you is just peaceful and loving and just, it's just amazing. But if you have negativity in your mind and you hate everything, you hate the life that you live, then everything around you will be negative. And that's just as above, so below. How you envision it here is how it's gonna come out here. Simple enough. Fourth law, this one is probably the most well known out of all the laws, which is the law of attraction. Which is basically, if you can imagine it, you can manifest it. So if you can see yourself, I see myself doing YouTube every single day when I meditate. I can envision myself, and that's how I know that I'm gonna be big on YouTube one day. I'm gonna grow on YouTube. Just continue to get better with YouTube every single day. And that's what I'm trying to attract. That's what I've been using the law of attraction for. But so I don't want to get too in depth about law of attraction because it's probably the most well known out of all of these. Okay, so number 5, the law of action. So the law of action is basically, if you're putting forth the effort and energy to attract the things that you want, you will attract them. So if you're for me, it's making videos that I love to do. Getting inspired and then wanting to make videos is the best way I can explain it to y'all. That's my law of action, is whenever I get inspired and I want to make a video for y'all. And whenever I do that, that's whenever I receive the most love and receive the most, views, people commenting, sending me positive messages, all that. And it's through the law of action. Okay? So number 6, the law of perpetual transmutation of energy. So this is basically, if you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in reality. So if you're putting all the action into motion, you're consistently doing all the things necessary for you to attract the things that you want, it will come into fruition. It will come true. It will manifest itself. And literally that's what this law is about, is whenever you're putting forth the energy, the effort, you will get something out of it. Okay? So number 7, the law of cause and effect. So law of cause and effect is governed by karma. So karma is very real in itself, and basically it's the energy that you spread is the energy that you'll receive. So if you're spreading negativity everywhere, you're depressed, jealous, all those negative types of energies are going to come back to you. But if you're spreading love, positivity, joy, peace, all those energies are going to come back to you. And you get what you receive, basically. Okay, number 8, the law of compensation. So the law of compensation is basically, if you're living out your purpose in life, you're doing everything necessary for you to achieve your dreams, and you're living out your full purpose in life, you will be compensated by the universe. The universe will give you an abundance, in life. You will live comfortably. You will live the life that you want if you're following your destiny, your dreams. If you're serving the universe will compensate you. Number 9, the law of relativity. The law of relativity is basically, you shouldn't judge anybody in the sense of good or bad, because everybody has their own situations. Everybody has their own reasonings for why they're doing something. And if they look bad in your eyes, there's two sides to every story. You might see it in one perspective, but understanding all perspectives of life is how you are able to be aware of everything. There's no reason to judge anyone for what they do or anything like that, because people do it for a reason. Sometimes people don't have a choice about what they have to do. And you shouldn't just judge anybody for that. You should just take it as a perspective and see it and learn from it. You shouldn't try to judge them. All right, so number 10, the law of polarity. So the law of polarity is basically yin and yang, positive, negative. There's always going to be a positive and negative. So, if there's something negative going on in your life, just know that it's not going to last forever. Negative, it can't last forever, because there's always going to be a positive somewhere. They have to coexist. There's no way that it can't coexist. So number 11, the law of rhythm. So the law of rhythm basically says that everything happens in patterns, happens in rhythms, happens in, YouTube has algorithms. Everything in life has patterns, has rhythms. Like life numbers, or like angel numbers. Angel numbers is a pattern. You know, everything has its own pattern, its own rhythm, and once you can see the pattern and see the rhythms, you can control it in your own way. And last but not least is the law of gender. So the law of gender is basically everything in this world has its own masculine and feminine energy. And, you know, it all corresponds with a whole bunch of different things, such as, you know, your astrological sign. You know, different things have different energies. You know, like Mother Nature. Mother Nature is a feminine energy. But yeah, that's, you know, everything has its own energy. Everybody has both masculine and feminine energy, and you're supposed to balance it out. And that's the best way for you to attract the things that you want. You know, feminine energy is more attracting. Masculine energy is more going and getting it. But, you know, I don't want to make this video too long for y'all. I just wanted to give y'all a brief summary of the 12 laws of the universe. I'm gonna make some videos that go more in depth about each and every single law of the universe. So I'm gonna make like 12 videos going in depth over each and every single law of the universe. But I hope y'all enjoyed. You know, I just want to make y'all a quick little video. I love y'all. I love making videos for y'all. You know, hella more stuff coming soon. I wish y'all nothing but the best. Just keep grinding, keep striving for your dreams. Y'all can reach it. I guarantee y'all. And, you know, don't be shy to comment. Don't be shy to, you know, hit me up on my Insta or anything if you're going through something. You know, I'm always gonna be there for y'all. Like, I want to have that type of bond with my subscribers. I want to have like conversations with y'all. I don't want to just be talking to a screen all the time. You know, I like interaction. But I hope y'all have a blessed day. You know, I'm gonna just be chilling out here, getting me some nature. I'll see y'all real soon. Peace.